Our top story tonight. In the second half of 2018, HDB will be using new technology that will make it easier to identify and issue summonses to tailgating motorists. This follows a 6-month pilot of the new tailgating detection system that took place this year. In this simulation of tailgating at a car park, the white car is attempting to avoid paying for parking by following closely behind the black car and sneaking past the gantry. With the rise of such incidents at car parks that use the electronic parking system, the HDB is using technology to identify such offenders more effectively.
Using new technology that will make it easier to identify and issue summonses to tailgating motorists in the second half of next year. Now, this follows a 6-month pilot of the new tailgating detection system. Previously, car park providers relied on CCTV footage to identify tailgaters. The footage had to be manually viewed and the information verified against vehicles' payment records, a process that could take several hours before a summons could be issued to the offending driver. With the new tailgating detection system, a network of sensors will measure the distance between vehicles as they approach a gantry. If the distance is too close, a camera will instantly record video footage of the incident, capturing the tailgating vehicle's details and the time and date of the offense. This will save time and manpower in the process. The new system will also be able to detect tailgating motorcycles.
You put camera, people got more fear. People will be more obedient.
I believe with better sensors and the motion control, they should be able to overcome the problem.
During the 6-month trial period at this car park at St. George's Road and a multi-story car park in Lompang Road, 130 drivers were found to have avoided parking fees by closely following another vehicle under the gantry. Since July 2016, the HDB has issued over 6,000 summonses to offenders who dodged paying fees at car parks with the electronic parking system. As this new detection system is portable, the HDB will be able to move it to car parks that record a high number of tailgating incidents as needed.